So you'll see, I mean, a lot of carriers, 2,500 is the minimum for wind hail. Some are gonna move even to a percent deductible. So that one is something you really need to be aware of. If your own value, for example, is say 450,000, you're gonna see a percent deductible. It could be 0.5%, even all the way up to 2%. And that's on the deductible for wind hail based on the home value. So at $450,000 home, you have 1% deductible for wind hail. Your deductible for wind hail is $4,500.
Okay.
And then that's based on the home value.